Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So today I've got a new computer component to show you all. It's my brand new gaming motherboard. You guys might already know that I'm currently working on a new gaming PC project. I'm still gathering parts for that build, and today in this video, I'll show you the motherboard that I'll be going with. This is my brand new ASUS ROG Maximus 10 Hero gaming motherboard. This is ASUS's top of the line premium series motherboard that comes with a Z370 chipset. Let's check out the box packing. On the top right, you've got the Republic of Gamers logo, and at the bottom you've got all the main features of the motherboard. It has an Intel Z370 chipset, supports Intel's 8th gen CPUs, it's also Intel Optane memory ready, supports Nvidia SLI as well as AMD Crossfire, has ASUS Aura Sync, and is also 3D printing friendly. So those were some of its features. I love the box packing, the quality is very nice, the box has circuit light design all over it. Let's see what else is written on it. It says Choice of Champions here, and has the Maximus 10 Hero logo on both the sides of the box. Now let's check out the back side. At the back you've got all the features and specs of this MOBO. It has a Supreme FX S1220 codec for amazing audio quality, has addressable headers and Aura Sync support, comes with pre-mounted I/O. For the people who don't know, premium motherboards come with a pre-mounted I/O shield, and it also has a M.2 heatsink. Over here you've got a picture of the motherboard with the complete details written beside that. The Maximus 10 Hero is a RGB gaming motherboard, and the LED lighting effects are completely customizable with the Aura Sync software. So that was about the box. Now let's unbox it and check out the product. Alright, so this is how the box opens up. It says Welcome to the Republic, and on the right side we've got the motherboard. Let me remove this tray on the top. Wow, it looks awesome from my first impressions. The motherboard comes in black and grey color combinations with silver accents here and there. I'm getting very excited for this. Let me just put it aside for now and show you what else do we get in the box. You get a sheet full of awesome ROG stickers, Maximus 10 user manual. Just make sure to read it for full info on the product. By the way guys, who uses CD drive these days? I would suggest the companies to go with pen drives instead of CDs. Some more ASUS ROG stuff, and a 20% off coupon code on cable mod cables. Under the hood you've got lots of accessories and cables like this ROG SLI bridge, lots of screws and external fan mounts, a CPU installation tool, few SATA cables, some RGB LED extension cables, and an RGB addressable extension cable. So these were all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the Maximus 10 Hero gaming motherboard. This motherboard comes in two variants, one is a Wi-Fi variant and the other one is a non-Wi-Fi variant. The MOBO I have is the non-Wi-Fi variant. Let me take it out. Always be gentle with motherboard guys, you shouldn't touch any pins at the back. So here is our brand new Maximus 10 Hero. Holy smokes, this thing looks absolutely beautiful. You've got the Maximus 10 logo here that glows in RGB, and the build quality is top notch. It's made of high quality plastic and has some aluminum blocks that give a premium touch to the MOBO. You've got the Republic of Gamers logo on the M.2 heatsink, and has a beautiful ROG logo on the right. Both of them glow in RGB. The components used on this product are Japanese made and are industrial grade standard. You've got the Supreme FX branding on the left, and at the top you've got the LGA1151 socket for Intel CPUs. Okay, let me give you a look on the left side. As you can see, the MOBO is already pre-mounted with the I/O shield, and you've got a lot of ports here which I'll show you later in the video. On the right side you've got 6 SATA ports, and this is how the back of the motherboard looks like. Pretty clean. Alright guys, so that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's talk about the special features of this MOBO. The ROG Maximus 10 Hero has Aura Sync support, so you can fully customize and control the RGB lighting, and also sync with all the other RGB components attached to the PC. It has onboard RGB headers and addressable headers to connect compatible LED strips and fans. This motherboard is equipped with a stylish angular design M.2 heatsink that keeps your SSD cool. The Hero features the most comprehensive cooling controls on a motherboard. It's got multiple thermal sensors that monitor the temperature in different regions, has support for water pump, and also monitors the temperature as well as the flow rate of the water in the loops. It has 6 4-pin PWM fan sockets, a fan extension header, and all these headers are fully safe from over temperature or over current situations. They're constantly monitored and protected by a dedicated IC. ASUS motherboards have 5-way optimizations which automatically check, tune, and provide overclocking profiles suitable for your builds. Coming to the audio, it's got a Supreme FX codec and a Sabre Hi-Fi DAC for outstanding audio quality. This MOBO has 4 DDR4 RAM slots that also supports XMP, 2 M.2 sockets, 6 SATA, and also a USB 3.1 Gen 2 front panel connector. Now let me show you what all ports you have at the back of the motherboard. You have a BIOS flashback button, a CMOS clear button, a display port, a HDMI port, a USB port for BIOS, a keyboard port, 4 USB 3.0 ports, a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C and Type-A port, a LAN port, SPDIF out, surround and subwoofer audio out, mic in, line out and line in. So these were all the ports at the back of the motherboard. So that was our unboxing and quick overview on my brand new Asus Maximus 10 Hero. It's an amazing RGB motherboard with awesome features. Looks very stylish and attractive. The Maximus 10 Hero costs about 27,000 rupees and is one of the best looking motherboard with great features. I can't wait to put this board in action. I've got almost all the parts required to build my next PC, but there is one component that has still not arrived and I'm eagerly waiting for that. I don't want to spoil the fun by revealing what that item is, so you guys have to wait a little bit longer before you get to see my next ultimate RGB build. So that was it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and got to learn something new. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.